Nice day out here, wrapping up this Apollo. So we running the OT gauge wire. So we had to drill through the firewall. Mike is putting the fuse in, everything getting it ready. We got it going all the way up under there. And it's coming down, it's gonna go through here and through the back. So it's enough room to go through the back. We got full-fledged trunk back there, so and then we got the big OT gauge ground wire. And of course we got some speaker wire. All the zip ties and shit came in the kit. So we're gonna run 2 sets of RCAs to the back and get ready to wrap this thing up. So stay tuned. Okay, now we got the door to the Apollo. As y'all can see, we stripped and it's painted. It was painted long time ago. Just old white dye. So I stripped the middle off. Actually, the middle is right here. This is what he had. Some kind of cardboard, purple suede, sideways squares. This was the insert. So I'm gonna change that, and he wants 6.5s in the door. So I'm gonna have to redesign this whole door. So I'm gonna make a piece that goes across the bottom right here, as you see, and the 6.5 gonna fit in there right there. So that's what I'm working on now. So watch how I'm freestyling, y'all. Freestyling. So what I did was I'm gonna take some cardboard, take a piece of cardboard. You see, I started drawing the same exact piece that I need on the cardboard, and I'm gonna lay it on top, and I'm gonna basically try to get the same shape, and then I'm gonna cut it out, and then I'm gonna cut it out MDF, and then I'm gonna route it and do all kind of shit. But you'll see. Watch. So now I got my cardboard template made. And basically I want a piece to go on there like that. With the 6.5 right there. And that right there. And then when I make the new piece to go in the middle, I'm gonna have to modify it. So I'm gonna have to cut this edge off right here. Cut that off like that. So it'll fit. But that's how it's gonna be. So then I'll transfer this to wood. Yeah. So try to make the piece already. So it fits on there like that. And I got it from the bottom because I don't want it to be at the edge of the bottom because I don't know what clearances I got yet because I'm freestyling. So you can see it goes right there. The 6.5 right there. Some kind of shit back here. So that's what we finna do. So let me see what else I can come up with. Freestyle session. Alright, so now we got the basic where the bottom is gonna be. So once I route my edges, make my attach points, everything will be alright. And I'm gonna wrap this whole piece right here. And it should turn out good. Now I gotta make this, the insert and make sure that's gonna fit right. But y'all see where I'm going with this. Freestyle. So with the piece cut, it's gonna be just like that. I took some more of this off right here because I didn't want it to hit the handle right there. So you see it comes like that and goes down. And it's gonna fit like that around there. So that's the mock-up of the door panel. So once I get to wrapping it, route my edges and do all my shit, you'll see where it's going from there. But this is all freestyle, top of the dome. Top of the dome, y'all. Okay, y'all. So we got the door panels to the 72, 74, 72, I don't know, Apollo. So as you can see, this is the factory door panel, and it's kind of fucked up. So I peeled the insert out the middle. I don't even know what I did with it. And I threw it away. But you can see they had it glued in there some kind of way. And he had a little ass 5 1/4 right there. So what I'm gonna do is, as you seen in the other video, I'm gonna make some, I made the door attachment to the bottom for the 6.5. and I gotta make the insert. And of course I gotta strip this and wrap it because it's all bad. So I scuffed it a little bit. There was a hole right here and I patched it, sanded it so you can't even feel it. So I'm making the inserts for this. So I made one right here. So basically that's the insert. As you can see, it fits right down in there in the groove. You got enough room right here for your fingers. It fits the curve and it goes down like that. So the last video I had, you seen I made the bottom. Well, let me find the bottom for you and show you what it looks like when I wrapped it. Okay, here's the bottom. So when I attach the bottom piece onto here, it looks like that. It already has the grill in there and everything. Decoration, does nothing. And then it has the hole for the 6.5, which I have to cut out the back side of it. But that's how it's gonna fit. And of course right here it's gonna have a mesh. It's gonna have a red mesh because the interior is red. I mean the carpet's red. So that damn compressor. But anyway, stay tuned and see how this turns out. So after I wrapped it, see I left the middle open because I don't have to cover none of that up because that's gonna be covered with the insert. But I wrapped it, double stitched the edge, as you can see. And I pre-drilled the holes for the speaker pod to go on the bottom. But I'll show you what it looks like. Insert. So then you put the insert in. So basically the insert is gonna go like that. Fits in there like that. And you'll see what this design comes from once you see the seats. So the insert fits in there like that. And then I have the bottom speaker pod. Hold on. So there you have it. So that's the door panel all together. Well, it's not together, it's just laying together, but that's how it's going to look in the car. So it comes out pretty good to me. And these designs right here match the rear deck. And I'm thinking about throwing a light in there somewhere behind there or some shit like that. I don't know. But we'll see what happens.